Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I got some friend mail. So I've already opened the top of it because it has our addresses on it. This is from Betty Vick. I got two pieces of mail today. One is a card from Betty, and one is a package, a very large package from Betty. So we're going to get into that, but first I'm going to tell you what I'm wearing. So I have, whoops, what did I do with that? Oh, here it is, right in front of me. Okay. I have this tattoo pencil liner on from KVD. This is Magnet Gray 50, it's called. You can see that color there. This, I really like it. It's a beautiful color. It is plastic. Here, you twist it to turn it up. I'll draw it on my hand for you. It draws very nicely on my hand. It does, however, it's difficult to put on my eyes. Very difficult to put on my eyes. But I like it, so I work with it. So that is my eyeliner today. And my eyeshadow is the Colourpop. This I did not win. This I did not get in my Colourpop mystery bundle. There was I got 4 of a 5 palette set. This was the missing palette. I already had it. So this one is called On a Wing. And you can see that I do use it. I do like it and I use it. And that is what's on my eyes. And what's on my lips is, I'm really enjoying this lipstick. This is the Give lipstick from, what's her name, y'all? Gwen Stefani, who I adore. And this is it. And this I got from Ipsy and I paid $12. And this is I don't remember the full price. But, you know, that's the nice thing about Ipsy. We can get things like that. So there were a couple of reds. I think there were 2 reds to choose from. And then also, or maybe the reds were not offered to me. I can't remember. I think I got offered 2 colors. But I chose this one. And this is, I have so many reds that I love. This one is called Stomp Box. S-T-O-M, no, is it Stump or Stomp? I think it's Stomp. Stomp Box. So that's what I'm wearing. So let's see what the card is from Betty. Lou is trying to get over here. He may make it. This is, oh, look at that cute card, y'all. How cute is that? All right, hang on. This doesn't open. It does open. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. It says, "You are perfect. Happy Valentine's Day." Look at that, y'all. The cats pop up. Aren't they beautiful? Thank you, Betty. I love that. I'll hang that on my refrigerator so I can see those. Now, there is a note on the back, but this is dated February 11th, you know, because of the, I'm not sure when she actually mailed it, but because of the President's Day, it got delayed, of course. You know, that's just how things are for me. Dear Mary, I hope that you have a lovely Valentine's Day. There's a package following this card. Okay. Oh, so she probably mailed this way sooner, but I wanted to add, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm not going to tell you till we get in the box what she's talking about the box. Love you lots, Betty. So she did, this was mailed February 12th, y'all. And I didn't get this till February 20. You're seeing this on February 21. My mail's so pokey. And we have holidays. We had a couple holidays and then ice days and things like that. So on the top is this Excelsior stuff. I'm not sure didn't that used to be called that? Maybe that, I don't know, y'all, but this I have to keep away from the kitties. Oh, there's a card in here also. So let's look at that. Hey, Smudge, you want to come over? Come on, come on. They're slowly coming up. Oh, I might have to take a moment. Y'all, come on over, Smudge. Look at that card. That looks like my buddy, y'all. My beautiful buddy. Look at how beautiful that is. That's a Hallmark card. Smudge. He's playing with bubbles, or she. Hey, Mary, sending lots of happy thoughts your way. I hope that this package of happiness cheers your day. Love, Betty. Thank you, Betty. I know that, first of all, just saying a package cheers my day. Any day it cheers my day. Yes, thank you so much, Betty. That is so sweet of you. Smudge, do you want to come over and say hey? There's some good stuff in here, y'all. Of course, of course. A present is always a lovely thing. What is this cute thing? Oh, Betty finds the cutest cat stuff. Okay, let me show it to you, and then I'll read what. Look at it. I thought they were little sticky notes because I've gotten sticky notes like this before. This is Daiso, D-A-I-S-O, and it says paw. There's 5 pieces. They're cable ties. So let me take one out to show you. I just don't want the cats to get a hold of them because I'll use these. Are you kidding? All right, look at how cute these are, y'all. Okay, so there's the paw, and then it's Velcro. So you can put that around, you know, your TV wires or whatever, and then it Velcros as small as you need it or as big as you need it. And, you know, if you need bigger than that, you can even attach 2 together. But that's perfect. I need something like this for my bedroom. With the wires in my bedroom. So there's 5 in there. Thank you, Betty. She's so thoughtful, and she finds the best stuff. She told me she was sending me this, y'all. Ipsy had the edit box where they do like one brand, and they did the glow recipe, and Betty liked everything in that package, I think is what she told me, but she wasn't fond of this. We've gotten this before in sample sizes in Glossy Box. It is the Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. And in my last, maybe time before empties, I had a little bottle of that, and I love it, love it, love it. It's just I've only ever had a sample. I've had like this size. I have one in my shower right now. I've had 3 over the years, and it's a pump. It's so hard to pump it out though, but I love the cleanser. It's wonderful. So this is what it looks like, and the little one looks just like this, but it's smaller. I don't remember what the top of the top's a little bit different, but I'm so excited because it smells like grapes, y'all. I love it. Hey Glow Gang, it says. I love it. Thank you so much, Betty. Oh, I love it. I love it. It's so gentle. The reason I really like it is because it's mild. It's a mild scent, and it's very gentle. It says Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, and it is gentle. It's makeup erasing and deep cleansing. So that is beautiful. Look at that packaging, how pretty. It has blueberries all inside there. Isn't that cute? And thank you, Betty, so much. That's so nice of her to think of me. This is expensive, y'all. I love it. Thank you, Betty. And, oh, there's some more ties. There's some more of those adorable ties. Betty, these are the cutest things, y'all. The cutest things. I'll be using them. What is this? See what I mean? She finds, where do you find that? You'll have to tell me your secret. Look at that. I don't even know what it is. Let me see what it is. It is cap tip finger grip. And these are size medium. And these go on your finger, so you can use them for different things. You know, sometimes in accounting work, you know, if you going through papers or going through checks, you got to lick your fingers all the time, or they have this stuff you can rub your fingers in to help grip. So these are just little grips on their own. So now look at, you can put them different ways. There is a paw print, and there his mouth is open, so you could do it that way or you could do it this way, I suppose. Yeah, and then pick up your papers. That is the coolest thing. Oh my goodness. Betty has a secret Japanese account somewhere because she finds all these fabulous Japanese things. I love that, Betty. And then look at this, y'all. Whoops, I'll show it to you and then I will. I'll show it to you and then I'll. Look at that, y'all. These are kitchen sponges. It's Daiso brand, D-A-I-S-O, and it says cute, and it says kitchen. Melamine sponge, Ice Friends. And that, it looks like all the rest is, I think that's Japanese is what I would say. So these are sponges. Look at this. I think Betty was telling me they're like, the eraser thing that gets marks off, you know, like walls and things. I forget the name of that thing right now, but that's what it feels like. This is a white and black cat. There's 2 of those. And then here's a big polar bear. Oh, yeah, that is what that feels like. Magic Eraser, is that what that's called? You know, Mr. Clean? I think Mr. Clean is the name brand, but of course they have them. All the stores have them and everything. But these are Iceland. Some cats and then some Iceland. There's a penguin and another polar bear. Thank you, Betty. She's just so thoughtful. Smudge, you going to get in the box? I think everybody would like to see you if you want to say hey. I don't know if you'll say hey or not. All right, let's see what else is in there. Oh, there's some more kitty things. Oh, there's more things in here. These are, let me show them to you. I think they said sticky notes on them. I love the little sticky notes. Shaped sticky notes. I use these things because I have to put tabs on everything. So I will use these, Betty. Thank you so much. I love them. And then Betty got this from Ipsy, and she told me that she was sending me this. These are the Alabama colors, the Alabama football, which is of course, we're in Alabama. So Alabama and Auburn. So let me take that off. And I got this as well. And I've given a few away, but I'm keeping one for myself. This is the, I got it in a mystery bag recently from Ipsy. And Betty must have also, because this is one of the older bags, because see, it has the little like leather Ipsy in there. So that's really cool to have. Thank you, Betty. She said I could pass it on to an Alabama friend, a friend that is, you know, that likes Alabama football. What is this beautiful thing? It says Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is beautiful. Oh, I know what it is. I'm opening it. This is mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Does it say the kind? There's a lot of talk about this mascara. Lash Sculpt. Now, I know that I've had Anastasia Beverly Hills. Oh, this is a beautiful wand. I like that. I'm going to start using this right away because I just opened it. Gorgeous packaging. Look at that. Hey, Smudge. I want to say I've had like, you know, little samples, like maybe in Ipsy. Why do I think that? I know I've had little lippies by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So maybe I've had mascara, but maybe I haven't. But I've heard a lot of talk about this, and Betty was saying she just got some and she really loves it. So I'm going to be trying that because, you know, I love mascara. Smudge was digging in that black, whatever that stuff is called. And so I took the rest out of the box, and Betty wraps things so well. There's cushion in there and everything. And this is the sample that we got from Glossy Box. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And it has the card, because it's a small package, it has a card that tells you all about it. It is, well, it's sealed right now, so I'm going to keep it sealed. I will use it. I really like it. Great size for traveling. And see how the pump is on this one? Very hard to get that out of here, but I love it so much, I'll use it. This pump looks a lot bigger. You know, it makes more sense for a larger size. So, and then there is this. Oh my goodness, this weighs, how much did this weigh, Betty? This weighs pounds. Hey, Blue, now Blue's up here. Okay, Smudge. Betty has cats, and maybe they're smelling the cats. But Betty told me she was making fudge. And she said that she was going to send me some fudge. So I do believe that's what's in here. In the Glossy Box, y'all. So, oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. You sent your really fancy Glossy Box. So, see, she used all this protection. A giveaway will go in that box. Look at that, y'all. This is that beautiful tin. The beautiful tin that I never received from Glossy Box. Oh, my goodness, y'all. Betty! She's so good to me. Y'all are so good to me. Look at how beautiful that is, y'all. This is one of those boxes that I never got from Glossy Box. It's going to hit the lights, but isn't that beautiful? You can see it. It says Glossy Box on it. And it's beautiful. It's a tin. I do have a tin or two, maybe. You know, they always had that pink box that everybody was used to. And then sometimes they would do a special box. And this was one that they did a special box. And this must have been when I wasn't getting Glossy Box anymore. Okay. Oh, it smells wonderful. I can smell the chocolate. Oh my goodness. It got a little disheveled, but that's not going to stop me from eating it, Betty. Look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Look at these pretty things she has. And look at that. Betty, look at that. Oh my goodness. She has spoiled me because I bet this is, you know, this is way more than a pound of fudge. This is 2 or 5 pounds. This is probably, I mean, really, you know, when you go buy fudge at a store, a pound is like this. This might be 5 or 7 or 8 pounds. Oh my goodness, Betty. Thank you. I'm going to enjoy every bit of this. And this is one of those things that I'm not going to share. I'm not sharing. Look at that pretty tin. And I'm going to keep the tin because it's from Betty, not because it's from Glossy Box. Betty, thank you so much. Oh my goodness. I can't believe all this fabulous stuff. Oh my goodness, Smudge is causing a lot of trouble down there. He knocked the box over. I'll have to go clean that up. Betty, thank you so much. This, as soon as my sample one is done, which will be soon, I'm going to put this in my shower, in my bathroom. I, you know, wash my face in the morning in the shower. Or at night, if I take a shower at night. And I'm going to start using, these sponges are fabulous. You know, we always need, can you hear that? I always need that to rub something off something. So thank you, Betty, so much for thinking of me. And thank you all so much for stopping by to see what Betty sent me. Like I said, you all are so good to me. And I love you all so much. Betty, I love you so much. Thank you so much. This is a wonderful gift. And I'm just going to go use these right now. I know exactly where I'm going to use these. Thank you. Love you. Love y'all. Thank you. And count your blessings, y'all. Bye-bye.